Good afternoon, class. As you know, my name is Salman, and I represent Group 17 tonight. I'm about to explain what is entropy and how does it relate to our life and what do we use entropy for in our life as a second of thermodynamics. First of all, we have entropy can be defined as three basic concepts. The three basic concepts would be the first one, the closest inequality, that basically state that as the system goes on the process from state 1 to 2, we have a heat transfer and a temperature that comes into a system that is supposedly to be greater or equal to 0. And that inequality over there represents the sigma cycle, which is, we're going back to the Kelvin-Planck statement. The Kelvin-Planck statement says that inequality right there, sigma cycle, can only be equal to 0. When it's equal to 0, that means we have irreversibilities in the system, such as, we have no irreversibility in the system, so that means no entropy. But when that is higher than 0, we have irreversibility in the system, which is entropy of production. That introduces the third concept, which is entropy, in two forms. Change in entropy, which is delta S, that can be the integral from state 1 to 2 of the difference in heat over the temperature, and we have to make the precision that this is an internally reversible process. Or we have the entropy balance. In that case, we're producing entropy, and it goes back to the same change in entropy, which is from state 1 to 2, difference in heat over temperature over the boundary. That is called entropy of transfer plus entropy of production. How does it relate to our real life on the other side right here? In a real life, let's think about it that way. When you eat, you consume food that gives you energy right here, E1. And if you go to the gym now, you burn that energy. By going to the gym, you're exercising and you're producing work. You can only burn that E1. But when you're exercising, you're rejecting it, right? Yes, and that sweating that you have represents entropy from the system doing the work. So we're going back over here to that law over here, which is, as long as I have heat going out of the system, I'm having entropy. I'm having entropy, and to balance that entropy, I'm having that entropy of production, which is the continually sweating that I do as long as I exercise. And also, we all know that concludes to the fact that our body needs it to keep the body system normal as a temperature. We need the second of thermodynamics. All right, thank you, class, for your time tonight, and on behalf of Group 17, have a nice day. Thank you.